Hello, fellow wealth builders. It's TJ from TJTrue.com, and I'm here with another video for you. Before we further go any further on, hit the like, the notification, and the subscribe button so that I can continue to inundate you with my ignorance and craziness. So do that. Today is December 28th. Today I am 38 years old. If you're watching this in 2019, I am 38 years old today. I'm finally and officially a grown ass woman. So there's that. But today, um, we want to talk about Ujima. Ujima, which is not really hard to explain. Collective work and responsibility. That's where we um, group together and decide to make each other's work our work, make each other's problems our problems. To me, that all boils down to a phrase that an old boss of mine, who was I don't know, a problematic person at best, but he had a phrase that I really did love and I really do understand and I really do live by, which is many hands make light work. A lot of people working together under the same purpose and with the same focus will make short work of even the most difficult situation. And that all the principles of Kwanzaa boil down to like stepping stones that aid each other, because cooperative work boils down to unity, and unity boils down to collective self-determination. You understand what I'm talking about? Like, if we are all working together to better ourselves, better our communities, we can do so much more than we ever could individually. Not just because there's more people working on the same problem, but because with the extra added support, you and I can actually do more. Like, I feel more confident, and I feel that more things are possible when I see that someone else is doing something, and that somebody else also believes that I'm doing something and that I'm capable of doing something. I think we need to really work towards that in our communities, not just today and not just because it's my birthday. Also, I accept all types of gifts. Go ahead and slide those 401ks down in there. I accept plots of land, debit, EBT, credit, all that. My Cash App, no, but my PayPal is TJ at TJ2.com. So feel free to donate at any given time. I accepts it all. You understand? But what I'm saying is that we do need to be more collective minded as a community and thinking about each other when it comes to these things. Not just because the collective work, but the collective responsibility. Um, it it takes it takes a lot of people to create the proper society. And if we're all working towards the same type of society, the same with the same goals in mind, we really do have a chance. And as if we are taking collective responsibility, we know that it is each and every single one of our jobs to make this happen. It's not just something that we can put off and say, "Oh, well, they're doing it. I don't have to worry about it because it'll get done if somebody else does it." And I think we all know, if you ever grew up in a household with siblings, that thinking that way means that nobody's doing it. So this is our society. This is our community. We are the siblings. We call each other brothers and sisters. Let's be brothers and sisters and understand that if we're not each taking equal responsibility for the way things are and the way that we want things to be, nothing's ever going to happen and nothing's ever going to change. So, happy birthday to me, and that's what I came here to say.